Hi guys, I'm Nora. I'm Japanese and live in the UK. Ohitashi is a very popular dish in Japan. This time, I'll introduce how to make a very simple ohitashi using bonito soup base and spinach. This is ingredients: mixed soup base and water, boiled spinach and mushrooms, about 2 minutes. After boiling, cool with water and squeeze tightly. Cut spinach and mushrooms. Soak them in the sauce. More than 30 minutes. Topped Gari and Bonito flake. Thank you for watching until the end. Please read the description. The website in the description also introduces how to make it. And please like and subscribe to this channel. Have a lovely day. See you next time.